do we know about how the science is evolving about with respect to making new vaccines that are more responsive and don't wane as quickly and are more responsive to the different kinds of variants out there? Because it was kind of this medically kind of reassuring, kind of exciting thing that they came up with the vaccines as quickly as they did, and we were all celebrating the commitment of the scientists that were able to do that. And have we had it continue progress since then, or are we still kind of resting on the laurels of the innovations of last year and the year before?
Yeah, it's a good question. That's what, I'm asking the same question. Why are we not modifying? Why are we not coming out with something better? I mean, generation one of anything is never the best, right? I mean, what did we have before Google, for example? Netscape and, so you have to wait for the modifications, the improvements. And the Cubans actually came out with I'm still waiting to see the data. I haven't seen the data on it, but the Cubans came out with a different vaccine that is theoretically better than these vaccines that are based on the spike protein. They figured that the spike protein would mutate too quickly. So they based it on a different part of the virus. So it's yet to be seen. That's been distributed all throughout South America. We, of course, don't get it here in the United States. We still can't get Novavax here in the United States, which is highly, highly suspicious. And that actually only adds to the suspicion of people that a vaccine that is available in Canada, in Europe, in Mexico, practically everywhere, but and it's a US-based vaccine, and they won't approve it here in the United States, makes a lot of people think that there is just some big pharma motivation, and Novavax is just not a big enough company to have any real sway in our government, which is true. But yeah, they're not coming out with anything. I mean, there's some scientists that are developing, but the question is, plenty of scientists are developing new vaccines or new therapies, prophylactics, all of these things. The question is, how much press do they get? How much does not just press, but does the government take it seriously? Does the FDA take it seriously? Does the CDC take it seriously? And we're not seeing that. They just keep relying on what we rolled out with right away.
Well, I am curious to see what happens with the Cuba vaccine. I know there's a lot of really amazing innovations that come out of Cuba from a scientific perspective, from a medical perspective. Yeah. Their lung cancer vaccine, now this. We'll see what else socialized medicine can do.